Feeling down from time to time is a normal part of life. But when emotions such as hopelessness and despair take hold and just wanna go away, you may have depression. More than just depression in response to life struggles, setbacks, depression changes how you think, feel, and function in daily activities. It can interfere with your ability to work, study, eat, and enjoy life. Just trying to get through the day can be very overwhelming. Depression varies from person to person, but there are some common signs and symptoms. It's important to remember that these signs can be a part of life's normal lows. But the more symptoms you have, the stronger they are, and the longer they have lasted, it's more likely that you are dealing with depression. So, here are signs and symptoms. The symptoms of depression can include: first, reduced interest or pleasure in activities once enjoyed. Second, a loss of sexual desire. Third, changes in appetite. Fourth, unintentional weight loss or gain. Fifth, sleeping too much or too little. Sixth, agitation. Seventh, slowed movements and speech. Eighth, fatigue or loss of energy. Ninth, feeling of worthlessness or guilt. 10th, difficulty in concentrating or making decisions. After knowing the symptoms, let's discuss what can be the causes of these symptoms. But remember, doctors haven't pinpointed exact cause of depression. They think it is a combination of these things, including: first, personality; second, environmental factor; third, brain structure; fourth, brain chemistry. So let's discuss these topics in detail. First, personality. People with low self-esteem, who are easily overwhelmed by stress, or who are generally pessimistic, appears to be more likely to experience depression. Second, environmental factor. Continuous exposure to violence, neglect, abuse, or poverty make people more vulnerable to depression. Third, brain structure. People with depression seem to have physical differences in their brains from people who don't have depression. Fourth, brain chemistry. Chemicals in your brain called neurotransmitters play a part in your mood. When you have depression, it could be because these chemicals aren't working the way they should. So a question arises: when to see a doctor? Answer is simple. Anyone who notices the emotional behavior or the physical changes that we discussed in the video may be experiencing depression. If this is the case, it is essential to see a doctor. The doctor can help diagnose a person's depression and give them the right treatment to feel better. Leaving depression untreated can be a harm a person's well-being. Depression is a risk factor for suicide. Therefore, it is vital that a person with depression receives help as soon as possible. Share this video with people you think are dealing with depression, so they can know that they are dealing with depression or not. And at the end, thank you for watching.